heart, oh. Even me, it's all over me. Zikaramo, I love you. To you, I give you my love, oh. Forever we go.
But I always know that when a woman is growing, when she gets to that level of, knowing what is man and woman, she's always the first to look at a man.
Then why is it difficult for your sister to look my way?
It is not our tradition. Hey, Wabweze, you should know better. Just stop asking me stupid questions. As if the sweetness of the orange you are about to lick is beclouding your sense of Where do you go? Nonsense.
I envy him. He is a handsome man. He is very hardworking. And he is
pompous, arrogant and stupid. Add that one too.
Obiago, why are you saying all these things? All these things you are saying is born out of jealousy and envy.
Envy? What does Zebenjo have that will make me envy him? He is traps that occasionally manages to catch Nchi. If not that he steals them all, because he may go into the bush and then steal someone's Nchi and come and present to us that he is this. Listen, his mates are in the city making money, doing business and coming back to build mansions. He's basking under the whatever of.
If his mates are in the city making money, then your mates are in their parents' house eating mama tankuma. See, I don't like what you are saying about him. You just don't like him for anything. That young man, Zebenjo, he has a Midas touch.
Nah,
and you know it.
Midas touch, touch, using the touch to Walonya. My brother, you just stop telling me that.
Stop
please.
saying that.
I don't want
He's
to
a
hear
nice
it.
person. It's true.
Wabweze, please let me see you briefly.
I am now too small that you cannot see me. I'm too small that I have lost my relevance. Okay?
Obiago, please, I am not cut out for this your arguments. Wabweze, Nam.
Let me draw Nagina and sell in Nagina. Don't respect yourself. Oh, okay, come.
Are you telling me that you're blind and pretend as if you cannot see the Avengers advances towards the Korah?
What are you talking about?
Can't you see? Can't you see that Zebenjo is busy making advances towards the Korah, your woman?
See, one thing about me is I cannot fight. I don't know how to fight. I always allow what is mine to always come back to me. I cannot fight. I cannot fight.
Hey, Wabweze. You don't need to fight. Use your head. Stop being a coward like this, your friend Obiago. Use your head. You will stay here. Zebenjo will keep making advances towards your woman and she will give in. I'm telling you. I just came to tell you because you're like a brother to me. So I wanted to help you. If you like, don't do something. Alam.
Yeah, what is it? Am I sensing betrayal here? Huh?
Me?
Huh?
How?
Betrayal, how? Who is betraying? That my woman came here and then she did not even talk to me, took you to a corner, and after a discussion, secretly she left, and you're saying, without even saying, hello, I'm leaving, to an intending husband, and you're saying it's not betrayal. What is the problem? What's going on?
See, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
I don't have strength to fight. If you have a problem with her, just go and settle it with her.
What is it? You know, near Alatofe. One day, that boy wearing a letter code, white shirt. I'm Sukanya.
Who is she? Love comes from the depths of the heart. There is a place of peace and serenity where all communications are done without words. That place is the mind. And the only thing that occupies the mind and gives it the desired comfort is love. So when a man is in love, he smiles to himself and sometimes talks to himself. So who is that woman that puts you in this euphoric mood of excitement?
Papa, you are such a wonderful mind reader. Yes, I was going to tell you. I know you believe I cannot hide anything from you. It's Sikora. Yes. Whenever I remember Sikora, it brings smiles to my face. Her thoughts alone gives me joy. It brings joy to my heart.
You are in love, my son. But something vital is that you have to be careful in order not to fall twice. First is falling in love, and the other is falling in life because of whom you have decided to put up your life with. We must all fall someday, but the most important thing is where you fall.
Thank you, Papa.
I know how it started. Say benjo love uge jumaro yakonum ne kusino. I love you.
We've been here for some time now and you haven't said a word. Are you going to speak now or let the beautiful wind keep whistling its sound instead of your voice?
My trap cut 2 grass cutters today, so I thought you might need one. Yeah, I always want you to take nutritious food so you can recover quickly from your snake bite.
I have fully recovered from the snake bite.
Anybody who wants to give you something will just give it to you without thinking. So, permit me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really do appreciate your company and kind gesture.
You're welcome.
But this is big.
Big,
You
yeah?
got a big one.
Yeah, because you have a big place in my heart.
Oh. You are good with words.
Chinedu, the quick and kita. Chinedu, the quick and kita. Chinedu, the quick and kita. I can't say what is happening? Where bush meat? It's been long I had bush meat. What are we celebrating? Is it your birthday?
It's my birthday.
Birthday, and you did not tell your favorite or your mama. And I was home with yours. I home with Wichi.
It's your sister Izikora that brought it.
Well,
The bushmeat belongs to Zebenjo.
What is this now? What is this? Hey, set up. Zebenjo brought bushmeat and he wanted to allow me to eat bushmeat that Zebenjo brought so that tomorrow that he's been feeding me and my family with his bushmeat.
Don't see it that way. See it as you took it from your mother's pot.
Mama, I don't like this. What's that what we are saying? Mama, and you look like I'm insulting you. What kind of rubbish is this?
It is not too late. Drop the plates. What is it now? Will you keep quiet?
Mama, he hasn't taken a piece yet.
Don't mind him now.
So drop the plates.
You're not ashamed of yourself. You just go and collect meat from one non-entity and bring it to one day thank Alosi. What is the problem? I don't like this, so.
He hasn't taken a piece yet.
Don't mind him now.
So drop the plates.
I like Romy and Chanta. If it is not because of you, I will not eat this meat. What kind of nonsense is that? This is This is
Drop the plates now.
I will not drop it. I'll go outside. I'll go there and pour it away.
I like your style, oh. Me, I want to pour my own inside my stomach. I don't like the benjo, but I like his meat.
Mama, this meat is delicious. The pepper soup itself. Hurry. And the meat is very big. The bush meat.
I know how it starts. Say benjo love get tomorrow. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
You may not know how it starts. You fit not know how it starts. Even me, it's all over me. Zikaramo, I love you.
Right from the day I rescued you from that snake bite, there's no each day that passes by that I will not think about you. You're always on my mind. I always have you in my mind. I can't just stop thinking about you. Do you know what? This is where you belong.
And this is where you belong too. I love you so much, Sebe.
I love you too.
You see, each time I think of you, I feel complete. Oh yes, I do.
Okay. Come, let me carry you.
I know how it starts. Say benjo love get tomorrow. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
You may not know how it starts. Oh. You fit not know how it starts. Oh. Even
What are you thinking?
I've been thinking about Zebenjo lately.
Zebenjo. Zebenjo is an enemy to your family. What's going on? Eh?
I think I'm falling in love with him.
I know how it starts. Say benjo love get tomorrow. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
you may not know how it starts. Oh. You fit not know how it starts. Oh. Even me, it's all over me. Zikoramo, I love you.
Right from the day I rescued you from that snake bite. There's no each day that passes by that I will not think about you. You're always on my mind. I always have you in my mind. I can't just stop thinking about you. Do you know what? This is where you belong.
And this is where you belong too. I love you so much, Sebe.
I love you too.
You see, each time I think of you, I feel complete. Oh yes, I do.
Okay. Come, let me carry you.
Maradim kosibido.
Sikora. I thought you're my friend. You're very secretive. Oh.
Hey.
So wait, you kept this thing to yourself all this while. You didn't tell me.
I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry, my dear friend. Iwewe Lagi, please don't be mad at me. The thing is, I wasn't too sure about what I felt initially. I was caught in between love and infatuation. But right now, I can confidently tell you that it is love. I'm in love with him and he loves me too. The feeling is mutual.
Hi, I'm happy for you. Hi, I'm very happy for you. But wait, have you people done anything intimate like cuddling, kissing, something like that?
Carisia, the much I want you to know is that Zebenjo is a good man. He is a very good man, and the feelings he brings are perfect. Ogugo.
Hi. Chai. Hey, this feeling is good though. It's very good though. But who will not want a man like Zevenjo? Even me, safe. I've been dreaming of having a man like Zevenjo. Which girl in this village is not dreaming of having a man like Zevenjo?
If it is a joke, please end it today. Biko. Zevenjo is mine and mine alone. He is called Danger Zone. Keep off. Please, besides, you are betrothed to my brother, so face him and stay away from my man.
Anyway, everybody have their own different ways. But you say you are betrothed to one person.
You don't like me. You don't like me one bit. That cry baby. Hey, you don't like me at all.
No wonder. Whatever is the end frontier that made you think that you are more deserving of Zevenjo must be a deceitful gut. Because I will not hesitate to crush you if you think you can take Zevenjo away from me. I will just kill you.
Hey, I'm making vegetable soup.
Nana?
Yeah, she's inside. What time? You see the way Zevenjo is loving me.
If not for Ne, I would have given Zikora the beating of her life the moment she mentioned that the meat is from Zevenjo. And I threw the pepper soup away, straight.
You did?
Ha, just like that. I did, and I made sure that nobody else ate it. See, I am the man of the house, and my word is law. What I say stands. That's what it is. How can she be disobeying me? Is it possible? That boy is evil. I've warned her to stay away from Zevenjo. From here now, I am going straight to Zevenjo's house. Warn him to stay clear of my sister, or face my wrath.
Hold on. Are you sure you can do it?
Me. You don't know me. You don't know me. I have the strength. I will go there and then he will know.
Obiago, I know you are capable of doing exactly what you said. And it will be to my own favor. So that I cannot have an opportunity to now take what rightfully.
Solo mbakuna alacha aka. Solo oka na-eri nwa afọ. Na-eri ma ọka. Solo ogidi na-eri nwa afọ. Solo kuzie Enugu ezige na-eme akatapa. Solo zia ndị obolo afọ na-eme ọnwa esa.
May the gods help you to achieve that.
Of course. The gods are always with me.
For gods and for the youths.
Through Obiago. Everywhere this is soft. Obi Lion. Obiago. Ha.
I trust what you can do.
Of course. I'll go straight now and warn you. One thing.
What basis? Is it not you I'm talking to? Don't tell me you stand here and be behaving cowardly. Eh? Why is Zevenjo will take Zikora from you? Eh?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Mabeze, you want Zikora? I want Zevenjo. Simple. All you need to do is to redirect Zikora's attention back to you. So that she will stop this relationship advances she's making towards Zevenjo. Eh? Zevenjo is mine, oh. Take Zikora, let me take Zevenjo. It's simple.
See, I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble at all. See, you don't expect me to... You cannot hypnotize me to start... You don't expect me to start working towards what I cannot do. I cannot do it. I just have to put everything over to God, because what will be will be. Me, I cannot do what you're asking me to do. I know that Zikora is betrothed to me, but I don't need to force myself on somebody who does not want me. Besides, if I take Zikora and you take Zebenjo, what will happen to my friend Obiago? And my best friend Obiago will be the loser here.
But you are betrothed to Zikora.
Yes, that was alleged. Yes, allegedly, because my father is dead. And Zikora's father is dead too. So, the two principal people who are on the agreement on the betrothal, they are dead. So there is no way I can come to start fighting for what I may not get eventually. The only thing I have to do now is to hand it over to God. Yes, and you too should do the same. I've handed Zikora over to God.
Don't worry, I will do it my own way. Over my dead body will I allow that Zikora to have Zebenjo. Leave me.
Please, don't do something that is stupid though. Do you want to kill my Zikora? Please don't do it. I know why I'm saying this, so don't do it. Don't do it. What is she going to do? Zikora? Zikora, please, I want to tell you something. A hunter went to the market to buy expensive bullets. His plan is so that he can use the expensive bullets to kill an elephant. When he got to the bush, he set the bullet in the gun. Then when he shot, the bullet went and hit the praying mantis. Can you imagine that?
What is it? And what is it with these incessant parables? Listen, I am not ready for your conundrums full of folly.
Folly, you said? My conundrums full of folly. Zikora, I don't want you to think that I am not aware of your hide and seek movement with Zebenjo. That same Zebenjo whose conception has no root. Yes, I am better than him. Our parents betrothed us together, and I've never done anything to show that I don't love you. My wife, I love you.
Fine. Truth be told, you have done no wrong. Oh yes, you have done me no wrong. I agree. You have done me no wrong. But please, let's forget about the mistakes of our fathers and forge towards the future. The truth is, you and I cannot get married. We are not compatible. Besides, I do not love you. Listen to me. Betrothal is such an ancient pattern of marriage and cannot survive in this modern generation. Hey, Chineke, now here we go again.
Why you did good person? Am I the one that created myself? Did this to me.
You are such a crybaby, and everyone in this community knows about it. What is all this? Okay, tell me. What responsible man cries at the slightest provocation? Show me one person in this community. If you can cry at trivial issue as such as this, what would you have me, a woman, do? No, answer me. Please, can you just stop it and be with man?
I am better than your brother.
Eh?
I am better than your brother because he hides his inferiority complex under the shadow of his name. Obiago. I am better than him. I am better than him. He shies away from challenges. But I don't. I face my challenge. I love you. This is a bad job, marry me.
It's like you don't have any other thing to say. Akuya? Please get out of my way. Look at him. You're such a crybaby. Toughen up! Toughen up! You're not man enough. I pity for the woman that will finally end up with you. I pity her.
I love you.
Tell that the tree and cry. Snake just go out and bite.
I love you.
You're better than my brother Obiago. Get the pass out, son of a
I know how it starts. Say Benjo love get tomorrow. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
You may not know how it starts. You fit not know how it starts. Even me, it's all over me. Zikoramo, I love you.
I don't know where bow.
Zikora. How are you?
I'm fine. Won't you offer me a seat?
Sorry, my bad.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Kekwang. Ichingumili. Do you want water? Let me bring it.
You fit not know how it starts. Even me, it's all over me. Zikoramo, I love you.
No, it will not happen. No member of my family will have anything to do with that family, let alone that boy marrying my sister. How kwana or the possible? Eh?
Nabutu. Obiago. Obiago.
Nabutu, oh. You see, in as much as I don't like that family, but I also need to be cautious with the kind of decisions and judgments I make, especially at this critical time. Remember, your sister is involved. It was recovered Otonaka.
Oh, not Otonaka.
Ma, don't talk like this, oh. Don't. Can't you see that Zikora is betrothed to Nwabweze? Just as I am betrothed to your son, Obiago.
Oh. Tell her because she has forgotten. Did you hear that? That she is betrothed to me, just like Zikora is betrothed to Nwabweze. It was a sign and the Biemba. Gina the goss or Geko Waka. You want to fight what has been here before time immemorial. Eh? That's what you want to. Mama, listen to me. That boy will not marry my sister. Or drop possible. Or drop. Let her look for another man in this village. I will gladly support her. Not that non-entity that emanated from an evil forest. Onto what?
Obiago. Obiago.
My hair is I'm not in the hair. Me now some easy. Papa can go and go with a natural eye.
Obiago mom. See, it's important we are cautious with the kind of steps we take now, so that we not end up throwing the baby with the dirty water that was used in bathing the child.
See to for the baby. You see? The baby. What is the problem? Eh? I am the first and the only son of the family. Yes, and my word is law. My decision stands. If my father were to be here, he will still be the way I am. He will say this same thing I'm saying. So I am representing my father with gallantry. I go up and down. See, Biko no. I don't want problem. I have said it, and the same. Instead, I will invite every forces, both here and beyond, to fight that boy. And I have one more because I am son of the sun. Abu Mwana. I will call on this land. Let Mama say, "Oh,
Mama, he's right. Oh, I stand with him on this one. Obiago is a man, and he deserves some respect. That's the Benjo does not respect him at all. Eh? How can you now allow him to come and marry somebody that he does not respect the brother? Oh, they no man, no. Eh? I stand with him on this one. He's right.
Wanye Kalesia.
Mama.
Wanye Kalesia. What is delaying your marriage with my son Obiago? Eh? Asimo, what is delaying your marriage with my son Obiago?
Hey.
Take it easy. You don't want yourself.
I do this all the time in my... Papa, good evening.
Papa, welcome.
How are your people?
They are fine, Papa.
Good. I go now.
Papa? No.
Come, don't worry. Come shift to my co sister.
Oh.
Zikara.
Papa.
Hey, come here now.
Do you think your father likes me? I'm a bit uncomfortable.
No, my father is not like that. Yes, in our family we're good people. Okay, don't be scared of anything. Just that your brother always behaves like a child. I don't know why.
I understand.
It's okay. Let me check the file.
If it not know how it starts, oh, even me, it's all over me. Zikaramo, I love you.
Let me help you, okay? So be fast about it. Thank you for eating my food with me.
I should be the one saying thank you for giving me audience and having the privilege to be around you.
You know, sitting and eating with you makes me feel I'm eating with a mother I never had.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I know I will never be like her, but I promise that I will try my best to be a good substitute.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
You like this one?
I'm fine. I'm fine. You worry
sure?
too much. I'm fine. I've even taken it out.
So,
are you sure your father likes me?
Of course. Very well. He's a nice man, though. Broke on your biabo. So, do it like this.
I said I'm fine with my fingers.
You want to use your finger? Yeah.
Should in case I trouble you again, I am sorry, Naka Maduri. Angelina Gemeno Gerudi. I am sorry, Naka Maduri.
Yeah. Where are you coming from? Huh? Where are you coming from? Or generator now? Or you're not hearing me?
I'm coming from Zebenjo's house.
Zebenjo's house? How many times have I warned you not to go close to that boy? How many times? Eh? How many times?
Is that why you want to slap me?
Is that why I want to slap you?
Because I'm not a kid anymore. What is all this?
Are you talking to me? The head of the family. You do not have fears. You do not have fears. Listen, my words stand. I have warned you not to go close to that idiot. Don't you know the meaning of Zebenjo in English? Let me translate it for you. Avoid evil. That boy is evil and he needs to be avoided.
He's my choice. I'm grown enough to know what I want.
Are you serious?
He's my choice, so...
Whatever your choice.
I'm grown enough to know what I want.
Okay. Therefore, mobile shop is set to go. My boy, that. I will know who is the head of this family.
I don't know what to say.
The best day I go win.
You shouldn't have beaten your sister like that.
I will continue beating her if she does not stop seeing that non-entity in Zebenjo.
And that day will never come.
Then prepare to be receiving my beatings. Because anywhere I see both of you, beat. If I see you now, I can beat. I get the beat.
See, what your brother is trying to say is that you should stay away from Zebenjo. And in fact, I'm in support of him. I'm in support of what he's saying.
Over my dead body.
Over my dead body, Mama.
Over her dead body. Okay. Mabiko, I want to ask you one question. Okay. Is he still making her party? Is he still making coffee? Book one for her. Because she's gone. Zikora is gone. Did you hear me? You're saying Tufiakwa. You're saying Tufiakwa. My sister, my only sister is frolicking, gallivanting, walking up and down with someone who is my enemy. And you're here saying God forbid, Tufiakwa and all that. What is the Tufiakwa about it, Mama?
I love him. Oh yes, I love Zebenjo. And there is nothing anyone will do about it or can do about it.
By the time I finish with both of you, you will see the bitter side of love. Other bitter side of love. Oyala, you love him. Can you define what is love? Okay, I am the head of this family and you must obey. You will obey me. Ngwa prepare now. Okay, che kolum. Kanchi taja kolum. Kolum monaka. Kanchi taja. Let me see you with Zalun Joe, Zabenjo again. And you see what I will do to you. Mama Kwakwao, na mo go be choose on you go mbaba. I don't see Jalo go ko ni here. O kwam bam bamba. Oji obo ndi I will eat swallow hand, swallow Zalun Joe. Floating my orders and you're saying whatever you're saying also go and all that. Kwakwao mate go no na bo collabo. Achoka me ma. Okwa collabo. Nweta gi na Zabenjo. Nweta gi na Zabenjo. Wale Adonsia, if you go see Ade. Now.
Zikora, get me to know. Listen to me. There's a saying that states that a fly that refuses to heed to advice follows the corpse to the grave. We are talking to you now, I don't want to listen. Mama, if that corpse happens to be Zebenjo's, I will gladly follow the corpse to the grave. Oh yes. Please, you people should allow me to be happy in this house, else I will commit suicide. You said what? You will commit suicide for what? No, it has not gotten to suicide. All we are saying is that you should stay away from Zebenjo because our both families have been at the loggerhead since time immemorial. It didn't start with you. The enmity wasn't caused by us, hence we shouldn't suffer the results. And as for your lousy son, Mama, it is high time he came down from his high horse and accepts the bitter truth. Everything about him reeks of cowardice. Zikora, what has Zebenjo given to you?
Mama, he hasn't given me anything. I can't even enter the house without stupid
Zikora, where are you going to? What has this Zebenjo done to my daughter? This is not my Zikora. This is not my Zikora, that she will stand before me and disobey everybody in this family. Whatever Zebenjo has given to you must not work. It will not succeed. God forbid. I'm talking to my daughter. She's disobeying me in my presence. Obiago Nabia. Oh.
No know how it starts. Oh. Even me, it's all over me. Zikora mo, I love you.
Please start this communication. Why? Carissa, I am tired of the house. The worst part is that Mama never gets to scold him or call him to order. She's pampered him to the extent he's become a nuisance in the neighborhood.
She's really supporting him. Oh. But wait though. Why does your mother hate Zebenjo this much?
That's her business. I have said it over and over again. It is either Zebenjo or no one else.
This your decision is okay. But what do you intend to do to this your Obiago's decision?
I have no answer to that question. This is my first time of falling in love.
It's okay. But does Zebenjo stand by you the way you stand by him as well?
Zebenjo cherishes me. Zebenjo worships the ground I walk on. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Oh, he loves me. I know that one. He loves me. I cannot question his love. Nobody can tell me otherwise.
What impudence! She has the temerity to speak praises of Zebenjo unto her favor. The more days turns to nights, and the nights submit to days. So is the day of your doom drawing near. Not when I am still alive.
I've just been thinking. I like your decision anyway.
No know how it starts, oh. Even me, it's all over me. Zikoramo, I love you.
Alicia, how are you?
It's heavy. Can you help me? Hold it down a bit, please. I'm not fine. I told you I composed a very nice poem for you. I should come to the house so you can listen to it, but you have not come.
Carissa, see, oaths are meant for loved ones of great importance. Compose it and sing it for the man who will value it more. And I believe that the almighty Obiago is in that category.
Obiago is a weak man, hiding under his rants. Speaking of your bushmates, do you only give it to your loved ones, like Zikora?
If you want to buy, I can gladly sell to you. Excuse me. After I look for who will help me.
Even me, it's all over me.
I hate him. I wish he would just die, since I refuse to look my way. Oh!
Obiago laid his fingers on you because of me. On Ayala. And we name anything. Why don't you face me like a man? I'm his match, his equal. Why must he rest his weakness on you? Hi!
Zebem, let him be. Listen, I can take any pain for your sake.
Don't say it again. No, don't just say it again. Not this kind of pain. Not this. Obiago should face me like a man. Yes, we should face each other and fight it.
Listen, Obim, see, fighting is not an option. It's never been an option. It will make matters worse. You can only fight for me when I eventually become your wife, and not at this early stage of our relationship. Besides, fighting my family will leave a sad taste on their tongues.
Please.
Obiago, wait! See, this is not a...
Hey, Mana, you were just talking about going to get a view for this
And
one.
you know you have so much respect in this community.
Yeah, Mokem. Gemunti. Listen to me and listen very well. I know you don't like me, Mano Basarom. It's none of my business. Reason best known to you. Now listen to me. I'm in love with your sister. And we've agreed to marry each other. Okay? Henceforth, I do not want you to lay your hands on your sister again. Do not lay your hands on her again. I don't want to hear that. Okay? Not for anything in this world. If you want to beat, if you want to fight, look for me to fight me, not her. Don't try it again. I warn you, and this is the last warning. Do you get that? Mama, want this boy?
Hey. You are a fool. How dare you just step into my compound and knock rubbish? When you want to know somebody who been and one way on the time. Don't you know? Nonsense.
You want me a fool? Did you call me a fool? You want me a fool? Okay. Hey, now listen to me. Anywhere I see you alone in this village, blue, black, red, green, yellow, okay, burnt umber, my name color.
In our paint.
Do you understand? Till you sign undertaking, proving to your sister that you will never beat a woman in this village again. Else, I will slice you Okay, me ain't make it. Me beg.
Eric, you be not Berlin.
I'm Bonya Berlin. You still have the
master. What is your problem? Are you mad?
Warn him, Mama. Warn him. Warn him.
In Apala, okay, but warn him for what? In Apala, are you drunk? In Rokai? How dare you come into my compound and cause commotion? When you get able? Eh? Now get out.
No,
get out of my compound and stay away from my daughter.
Forget.
Why say you are?
Okay, more wow.
Get out.
Me. You see? No. I'll catch you.
Oyala. Zuzona ko bisigipuo. And you,
Hey, cross this line. Cross this line. Let me call my Zebe for you.
Zebe Anago, he has gone.
Cross it.
Ala.
Will you shut up your mouth? You're not even ashamed of yourself. You went to bring a talk to come and fight your brother. Eh? I know fear.
This girl doesn't know anything.
Oh, wait, Former. Stupid girl. You went to bring talks. That's Zebe. Should just be careful. Don't worry. You know you're a good boy.
Mama, I didn't beat him because I didn't want to fight him. Because you were standing. So I didn't want anybody to do all that and on.
Everybody knows you are a very strong man. In this village, I don't get respect.
Okay.
Okay. Because I raised you well. That's why you're not fighting. Zigora, you knew very well that Zebenjo is a very strong man. Yet you brought him to come and fight your brother and kill him? You want to kill my own son?
I did no such thing, Mama. As a matter of fact, I was even begging Zebenjo not to confront Obiago.
You have grown wings, okay? Huh? What? I will cut that wings pieces. Gasianana. Go say I don't be a kitchen and put them. See. And when. Oh, Mother Ben and one way on Tadu.
It's okay, my son.
Coned.
It's okay.
Coned. So what wrong? Can I fear Coned? If you do, I'll borrow Guinea and I. Go see.
Have you seen what you have caused? You know I don't like seeing my son very angry. I don't like seeing him in this mood. I don't joke with him. Please.
But Mama, you should have let them fight. Oh yes, so that I can see the stuff Obiago is made of. He only gets to bark when he sees women. She should have come out so that we can see how strong and powerful he is. I thought he said he was going to beat us. Collabo. Oh, Gianno! Weakling! You should have confessed your fellow man. You don't know what you're saying, no. See, I am proud of my son. Any day, any time. He has so much respect for me. That's why he spared Zebenjo. If not for me, I know he would have finished the Zebenjo today. I don't want to bury anybody. I don't want them to say that we have committed murder. I raised him up very well. Warn that your Zebenjo, warn him, Obiago. Obiago, where are you?
I give you my own heart, Zebenjo, I love you.
My heart belongs to you. I give you my love.
I'm not happy with you.
Why?
I haven't seen you in 2 days.
Don't mind me, my dear. I wanted that warning I gave to your brother to sink first. Yeah? Get one.
I'm
hey,
fine.
Mama. Good morning.
Mama, what is good about this?
Mama is a very beautiful